If we read Genesis chapter 2, verse 8 and 9, please open our Bible and read.
Then he swore to him, and there before the man whom he had formed. And out of the ground made the Lord to grow every tree that is pleasant to the sight, and good for food. The tree of life also in the midst of the garden, and the tree of good knowledge, and it is good in him. Knowledge is in him.
2 kinds of trees. Number 1 is tree of life. Number 2 is tree knowledge. Knowledge and good. Tree knowledge, good. And evil.
So, 3 minutes ka lang, or 1 hour yung presentation.
Okay. Here you see the 2 kinds of trees. The one is a tree of life. This one is not literal.
Isa literal.
It is symbolical. Okay. And number 2 is literal.
Literal?
Not literal.
Hindi niya pinapakita.
Also is symbolical.
Hindi niya pinapakita, oh.
Okay.
Same as
Okay. And the Lord God planted a garden eastward in Eden, and there he put the man whom he had formed, and out of the ground made the Lord God to grow every tree.
So, Dennis, 3 minutes lang, ah.
Every tree. That is pleasant to the sight, and good for
Food.
food. Now, let's continue. The tree of life also in the midst of the garden, and the tree of knowledge was good and evil. Now, Brother Dan said, God chose every literal tree. That's what? Good for food. To grow in the garden of Eden for Adam.
So, Dennis, 3 minutes ka lang, ah.
So, hindi lang pala yung 3. Kasi 3 kasi yung
I show you controversial 2 kinds of tree.
Okay.
Not every. Okay.
Oras na pa.
I continue the garden of Eden for Adam. But the tree of life.
After Dennis, I had to...
Don't interrupt me. Okay?
7 o'clock.
You listen to my reports. Okay. We're not literally in the garden. Okay. Many denominations,
Schedule, eh.
secta,
Already time.
many generations and all churches accepted to carnal interpretation of theologian accepted this 2 kinds of which are 3 is a real literal.
Okay, thank you, Brother Dennis.